Good morning, everyone. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and welcome back to the vlog. Oh, I am having the most Monday, you guys. Oh my god. Not only is it just like so gray and gross out, and I'm exhausted after this weekend, but it just has been like a mad rush this morning. Oh my god. I don't know, I honestly thought that after this weekend I would be feeling like so much better, way less burnt out, and just like ready to really like, I don't know, pick up steam again, and I'm not. It did not work out that way, unfortunately. I don't know. I really do just think that like it just has to be a combination of me balancing so many like work projects and jobs, and also just like getting back into the hustle and bustle of real life, which is really tough. I know I've talked about this so much on my blog, so I don't even really want to go into it because I feel like it's pretty repetitive at this point, but it's weirdly hard getting back into the swing of things, as grateful as I am for it because it's all I've wanted for so long. What a time. So it's actually almost noon here already, which is so crazy. I've not accomplished nearly enough. I was actually up at like 6:50 this morning because Connor had to get up really early for a work meeting, and so it sort of woke me up too. And I sort of was like, oh, well, this is okay. Like, I'll just get up and start working. And then I didn't. I just laid in bed until like 8. It was sort of a waste of an early morning wake up because now I have to deal with being tired from waking up early without any of the benefits of starting work early. But Connor brought me a little morning chai, so greatly appreciate that. It's pretty cold now, but I don't really mind. Are you guys worried about that? Like your drink's getting cold? I'm really not. Also, hair is clearly still straight, although not that straight, like under there. Yeah. So in order just to get a little bit more on track for today, I think I'm just gonna need to sit down and make a to-do list. I don't think it should be like too crazy of a day, but definitely like a full long day. It's gonna be a long one. What's today's date?
It is
7th.
the 7th.
Okay. All right, let's figure out what is on the to-do for today. QES Facebook, to finish, share a sale, sign up. This isn't too daunting of a to-do list here, but it's also not super great either. Usually writing down my to-do list makes me feel better, but I'm not feeling better. I think I just need to like buckle in. I want to work for like at least another hour, if not 2, and just like barrel through as much of this as I can, and then reevaluate post-lunch what else can get done today. Well, just remembered that I have a 1:45 call, so I was gonna eat lunch at 2, but I guess not after this call. It's scheduled from 1:45 to 2:30, although I'm hoping it's shorter. But I did bring some goldfish in just in case, because Connor has a call too, so I sort of have to wait until he's done too, so I can go out in the kitchen and make lunch without disturbing him. Snacks for now. Work is going pretty okay though. All in all, not great, but pretty okay. Literally still fully in pajamas because it's just one of those days. It's a Monday. I think my call literally just got canceled. Yes. Babe, my call just got canceled.
Yeah.
What is it, Molly Cat? Oh, the door is closed. Are both of your people in here and you can't even see us? Hi. Everything's fine. Everything's great. Mwah. Go girl. About to go make some lunch. I don't know what though. Really quickly, I have some packages to open up here. One of which may or may not be the samples of my new merch. Okay, here we go. Thing number 1. This is actually something sort of cool and just adult. I don't know. It's called a Scubby, and it's basically a fireproof bag for your documents, and obviously it has a little lock on the side here with a little combination. So I actually have a fireproof safe already, but it's really big and heavy and clunky, and I sort of wanted just an upgrade. So I figured this will be really good for Connor and I. I like that it has a code instead of a key like my other box. So, ooh, this is my first time opening it. Let's see. Another thing I really liked about it is that it has a lot of sections in here, and all of these are Velcro, so it can sort of be customized for whatever you need. Obviously, we're going to keep things like passports in here, our vaccination cards, I don't know, just anything that you wouldn't want to burn if your entire home burnt down, basically. I was just confirming that it is fireproof, and it definitely is. It's just weird because it doesn't really look like it would be, but apparently it is, so there you go. Hopefully we'll never have to find out. It has like a specific pouch here that's for your passports, like they slide in there really easily. Yeah, so anyway, fun adult toy for us to have. Now onto the merch. Ooh, I am so excited. Oh no, you guys. They printed them wrong. Oh man. The front is on the back and the back is on the front. I'll have to double check to make sure that I didn't mess that up. Is it the same with this? Please be good. Wait, no. No, it's wrong as well. Oh no, I really hope this was not my doing because that is my bad. Definitely not. I definitely had it the correct way. Okay, that's okay. These things happen, and this is exactly why I always make sure that I get samples first to make sure that everything is perfectly good to go before anything goes out to you guys, because I would hate for this to happen. But I guess I'll show you the design anyway, even though it's backwards, because I am so excited about it. It's just so disappointing. We have a t-shirt and a sweatshirt, same design. Each of them come in a navy color and a gray option as well. So this will be the front, although it's on the back right now. A little cute smiley face, which I just think is such a fun little detail. And then on the back will be this phrase that says, if you've been looking for a sign, this is it. I really sort of like the way it was printed. It's sort of like vintagey looking, like a little worn in a cool way. Here it is. This will be the back of the sweatshirt. This will be the front of the sweatshirt. Just was not what I was expecting. Well, that is less exciting because now we have to wait even longer. Like, I'm sorry it's taking such a long time. It's just I have to wait for the samples to be made and shipped out to me so I can make sure that they look right, just in case something like this happens. And yeah, so now I'm gonna have to wait for more samples to be printed and shipped to me, make sure that it's looking right, and then be able to shoot the content for it. Then it could go live. So probably closer to July at this point, which definitely sucks, but oh well. That's how it goes, right? Let's go figure out some lunch. I don't care, I'm gonna put this sweatshirt on anyway. Just because it looks so comfy. These sweatshirts really are so freaking comfortable. They're so soft on the inside and lightweight. And this looks crazy. Like, that would not be on the front, and that would definitely not be on the back. We're just going to make lunch anyway, so who cares? I wonder what size this is. It literally feels backwards on me, even though I know it's technically correctly right now. Okay, I got a small, I believe, in both. I think maybe a medium in this. Yeah, medium in the t-shirt, a small in the sweatshirt. This is how the sweatshirt fits in a small. It's like definitely still oversized, but nothing too crazy. And then I got the t-shirt like this so I can wear it like as a t-shirt dress or at the beach or, you know, whatever. All right, now let's go get some lunch. Just finished a quick mini clean of the kitchen because it just feels like our life is sort of in shambles. We've been so busy running around. So I wanted to like at least get the kitchen clean, get the dishwasher running. This whole place really needs a good like clean out. This looks so silly with it on the front. Oh man. Figured just, you know, that's at least a good place to start. That way I can dirty it up with making lunch again here. I think lunch today is just gonna be a quick little mini veggie bowl. Feeling sort of uninspired, but I haven't eaten this in like a couple weeks, so I think it'll taste really yummy. We have some bright rice made, so it makes my life nice and easy. Molly cat, hey! He's scared of me, I'm sorry. But you cannot do that. You cannot go up on our counters. Ridiculous, kitty cat, you know. You know better. And lunch is served. Looking so good. Missy, what are you crying about, huh?
She lives a very hard life all that.
Okay, while I eat lunch, I'm going to watch some more Sex and the City. I've been loving it. Big fan. I'm actually already on season 2. I binged it really fast. Also, please ignore this sit situation. Very annoying. yeah, so absolutely loving this so far. I can't believe I've never seen it. Such an easy show to watch too, so I have really been loving it. Even Connor has been enjoying it, so that's me, yeah. Here we go. Season 2, episode 2. Let's roll. So I just noticed that this zit has turned into a big old whitehead. And whiteheads are the best to use acne patches on, in my opinion. I just find that acne patches really like pull shit out of there, but I'm out of my favorite ones. Sorry, there's like a siren going by. I do have these star patch ones that I wasn't crazy about, so maybe we'll just give them another go. There we go. Okay, let's see what happens. Maybe it will work on this one since it is sort of like fat and juicy. Is that gross? Sorry. Should we take this acne patch off and see if it actually did anything? I've only had it on for like 3 hours, but anything at all. Oh, a little, but look, it's still a full whitehead. These are just not it for me. Like, I guess, maybe I'll try sleeping with one on tonight and see if that makes a difference. Ooh, there you go. Clearly was just like sort of stuck on there. Gross. I'm sorry that you guys just had to watch that. I'm gonna put some more of Descu on it though, because that's the real stuff. This has been my holy grail acne product for so long. Oh, that stings. Oh. Okay, it's done. So yeah, it is 6 p.m. and I just wrapped up work. Connor's still working out in the living room, which is why I'm still in the bedroom. I've literally been in the bedroom this entire day. Not that I'm mad. It was definitely one of those days that staying in bed the whole day was so good. I made it through a lot of my list, really not the whole thing, but as much as I could just manage to get through, it was just one of those days. The sun literally did not come out one time today. It's so gray and cloudy out. But that's okay. Working till 6 p.m. is not that bad. I can definitely live with that. And I think I'm just going to like binge some more Sex in the City and play a little Sims. And then I'm making dinner tonight, making a yummy little pasta dish for Connor and I. So I thought really quickly it would be sort of fun to show you guys the house that I built in The Sims, because I know I was talking about The Sims a couple vlogs ago and how... So prepare for a bit of nerding out for a second and feel free to skip ahead if this is not for you. It's not going to be very long, I don't think. If you missed me talking about it in my last vlog, I actually just built a new house with the new pack, which I'm just loving. And yeah, it's a legacy challenge that has some pretty interesting convoluted things going on with it. Let's check my family tree actually. Oh my god, we are entering Gen 5, not 4. Very exciting. So here's the family tree so far. This was my original founder, Maggie. Oh my gosh, she was so cute. And she got married to Laurent, and Laurent and Maggie had Travis. Travis married Megan, and then they had Violet here. Hi, Molly Cat. Then Violet married William, and William had quite a complicated genealogy here because... I made him cheat on her. Yeah, no, that was terrible. But anyway, here we are. Let me go back to where we were. Anyway, they had Sloane here, and then Sloane ended up marrying Edwin. Edwin is a notorious criminal, which I thought was sort of fun with like them becoming politicians and like one being evil, like he's all wrapped up in his dad's like criminal activity or something. And they were only really meant to have 2 kids, but they ended up having twins. So Heather was first up, and oh my gosh, it looks like she just had twins as well. I knew that she was pregnant, but I did not know that she had... Oh wait, no. Oh wait. Maybe that's him? Maybe he has these kids and they just had this one baby? Allie. They named her Allie. It's real lame. Crazy story about Heather quickly though is that she actually got married to someone else, her high school sweetheart, and he was so cute. And actually this is his baby here. She got pregnant, they got married, but I think I don't know what happened, but it's like they got pregnant, they got engaged, and they got married really quickly just because I was trying to like get her storyline set up and move her out of the house so that I could like continue on with who my actual heir is gonna be. And I think it was too many exciting things, and my character literally got hysterical and died of laughter. I'm not even kidding. He died like moments after they got married. Moments. So then there was this other guy from high school she was always flirting with, so that's who she's married to now. But wow, yeah, I guess he already had 2 kids, which I did not know about. I'm gonna have to go into like his family tree. I'm curious to learn more about that. I'm obviously not gonna do like a full walkthrough of this, but you can sort of get the vibes here. Very nice, modern, fun, cool. There's an upstairs as well with a couple different bedrooms. It's a good vibe. So anyway, enough of me talking about The Sims and let me actually play this. All right, dinner time, and tonight I am making pasta for Connor and I. It's this really yummy recipe that's supposed to be like a bolognese. It doesn't really taste anything like a bolognese, but that's sort of the idea. It's with like chickpeas and carrots and Molly cat. Molly. What? Anyway, it's really good, so I thought I would share a little bit of how I make it. Today I'm just gonna make it with this banza chickpea pasta. All right, got the zucchini chopped up, my garbanzo beans, garbanzo
beans.
and some shredded carrots. I have this red sauce, obviously just sort of a random brand, not like a favorite of ours, but it'll still be delicious, obviously. Water's coming to a boil, and we're gonna start throwing stuff in pretty soon. Guys, I realized that I didn't have any charged batteries and my camera just died. So they're charging right now, but we're gonna have to do a little iPhone clip for now. Sorry. I hadn't plugged anything in from this weekend yet. I haven't even like properly unpacked. Let's see if I can. Haha, I got something. Okay, good. Pasta is in. I'm cooking it for 7 minutes because we're gonna throw it in with our sauce later, so we don't want it to be fully cooked. In this pan here, we're going to add our chickpeas. And we're honestly just gonna let that start to sort of simmer there. Okay, zucchini is in the pot now. Gonna mix in with all these chickpeas, and I'm definitely gonna hit it with another round of seasoning. Shredded carrots just went in, mixing this up again, and at the same time the carrots go in, the sauce goes in. Okay. So the pan we're working in isn't big enough for the pasta and the sauce, so we're moving back into this big pot and we're gonna layer the sauce in there. Oh yeah, we got it. Haha. Heat is back on low. We have the sauce and the pasta all together. We're gonna mix it in. I think it probably needs a bit more water to keep that coming. Look at that, you guys. Wow. That looks so good. Should we try a bite? Obviously. Okay, I'm gonna do my taste test while Connor finishes his video game because I am too hungry to wait for him. Oh my god. And it's one of those dishes where like the longer you let it sit, the better it gets. I got it really good this time where the chickpeas are pretty soft, but the zucchini still is slightly crunchy. Not crunchy, just like has a little bite to it, so it adds a little bit more texture, which is really nice.
Yeah, I'm excited about this pasta.
It's so good.
It was so good.